Living with your Caesarstone isn't rocket science. Maintaining its beauty shouldn't be either. Caesarstone's quartz surfaces are non-porous and incredibly durable. It has earned the Good Housekeeping Seal of Approval, and it's certified by the National Sanitary Foundation for Food Preparation Areas. Caesarstone is stain, heat, and scratch resistant, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. Here are a few tips on how to keep your Caesarstone looking its best. Because the surface is completely non-porous, you never have to use any sealer or wax of any kind. For general cleaning, use a mild detergent or the Caesarstone spray cleaner. The instructions are easy. Clean with product, rinse with a damp cloth or sponge, then dry with a paper towel. For effortless, quick cleanups, try the new Caesarstone wipes. For typical stubborn marks such as red wine, pen marks, even metal marks from keys or knives, use the Caesarstone Cream Cleanser. To remove nail polish, you can use nail polish remover. Just rinse it off right away and then clean and dry like you usually do. Whatever the mess, be sure to always use a non-abrasive sponge. Tough, yes. Indestructible, no. Caesarstone is resistant to cracks, scratches, and marks. However, like most materials, excessive force and pressure from other objects can damage the surface. So be sure to always use a cutting board, and when handling hot items, be sure to use a trivet. There is no need to be sensitive with fruits and sauces with acidity on the surface. Caesarstone is one of the toughest surfaces around. You can purchase a Caesarstone range of cleaning products and find even more detailed care and maintenance instructions at caesarstone.co.za. Thank you for choosing Caesarstone. The best stone is Caesarstone.